Trying out a new box of Reynolds wrap, grill foil, heavy duty, no stick. It looks really nice in the box. Should I say elegant looking? And I put a piece down and they've got it written non-stick side. Some people online say there's no difference between the sides, but in this case it's the dull side is non-stick and the shiny side is down. And I am going to try it on the grill. It's a heavy duty. It feels a little nicer than just heavy duty foil. It has some substance to it. But I am going to cook up a snapper cheek. If you never had one of these, it gets to a thin red snapper offshore, they throw everything away. And this little cheek's got a real hard bone in it, and you're going to eat this with your fingers. But it's solid meat. See how it tastes. Make sure this doesn't stick. We're going to put it fish side down first and let it sit in there, cook for a while. Okay, turn that snapper cheek over, and I also put a piece of sheeper on there to blacken it. See how hot this will get. That's going to work. This did not stick. The little piece of bone stuck a little bit over here, but still moving around pretty well. There's that. Got a fire here, got a fire here, and a fire here. Yummy. A little skin sticking. Looks like chicken. It is fish. Let me turn it back over. Let me just sit there. There you have it. One blackened sheeper and a piece of snapper cheek. Let's try it. That's delicious. I didn't try to get it too hot first time. This needs to cook really hot and blacken. I'm not sure that's made for blackening, but for pouched fish, stuff like this, reach down in there and get some of that goodness. Oh, that's hot. Let's try it. That was so good. Wow. Good foil cook.